everyone, and good morning. It's so good to be with you today. Before we get started, let's see if we have any mail. A postcard for Miss Post. Let's see what it says. Miss Post, I heard that you and the teachers were taking a trip. I wanted to offer my help. If Frisbee can't go, I would love to dog sit for you. I have 2 dogs and I know how to take good care of animals. That is so kind of you. It's important to take good care of our animals, and it can get pretty hot in Arkansas in the summertime, so make sure your pets have plenty of water. Okay, let's talk about this trip. Now, some of you might have seen this map before. It shows the highest place in all of Arkansas, which is at the top of Mount Magazine. It also shows us the highest points in all the states around us. Now, when I talked to the other teachers in the teacher house about going on this trip, the first question they asked was which state is the highest and which state is the lowest. Now, there are some big numbers that we're comparing. So let's think about what needs to happen first. To compare the numbers, I'm going to start by counting how many digits or place values are in each number, and then I'll group them accordingly. Okay, so let's look at our states. Louisiana has 3 digits, Oklahoma has 4, Arkansas has 4, Mississippi has 3, Texas has 4, Missouri has 4, and Tennessee has 4. Okay, so I need to put Mississippi up here with Louisiana, and I'll move Oklahoma down. Okay, so Louisiana and Mississippi are both in the hundreds place. Everyone else has 4 digits, which means they're in the thousands place. Now, when you're comparing numbers that have the same number of digits, look at the numbers in each place. I'm going to start at the highest place value, which is always the farthest one on the left. Let's start with Mississippi and Louisiana. Now, they both have 3 digits. They have the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. And I'm going to underline the 8 from Mississippi and the 5 from Louisiana in red so that you can see it. So we're comparing the digits in the highest place. So let's look at these 2 over here. I have written our greater than sign, our equal sign, and our less than sign. When we look at Louisiana compared to Mississippi, the 5 is less than the 8. So that means that Mississippi is greater than Louisiana. So I'm going to put Mississippi on top and Louisiana right underneath it. Okay, these states have elevations up in the thousands. I'm going to compare the digits in the thousands place using our greater than sign, equal to sign, or less than sign. And then we'll sort these numbers too. First, let's underline what we're comparing, the thousands place. Let's look at Arkansas and Oklahoma. 2 compared to 4, well, the 2 is less than 4. So let's put the 4 on top. Oklahoma is greater than Arkansas. Let's compare Texas and Missouri. 8 is definitely greater than 1. Okay, so I'm going to move Missouri down here, and Texas was the 8. Let's just compare over here real quick. 8, 2, 4. Oh, he's moving all the way to the top. Okay, so Texas, 8, Oklahoma, 4, Arkansas, 2, Missouri, 1. This looks good so far, but we've still got Tennessee down here. Tennessee is a 6. Now, where would that fit in? 8, 4. Oh, 6 would be right between those numbers. So let's scooch everyone down. And Tennessee will go right there. Okay, let's check our order. 8, 6, 4, 2, and 1 in our thousands place. Now don't forget, we still have Mississippi and Louisiana. The highest point is in Texas at 8,751 feet, and the lowest point is in Louisiana. Oh, this is still a high point, but in Louisiana, their high point's kind of low, 535 feet. And Arkansas is right in the middle at 2,753 feet. Thank you for the postcard. I hope today's lesson helped you think about how to compare big numbers. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Keep a positive mindset, grow every day by reading and asking questions, and maybe today you can read some more about the beautiful places to explore right here in Arkansas. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. I'll see you soon.